How we cut and jackhammer concrete for plumbing, full process explained. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're giving you a full behind the scenes. Look at how we cut and break concrete in a home renovation project to run new plumbing lines. If you've ever wondered how pros get plumbing under a concrete slab, this is it, step by step. Let's get into it. First, we start by mapping out the plumbing system on the slab. Using green spray paint, we mark exactly where the drain lines, toilet flange and vents will go. Every bend, T-joint or fixture is marked before any cutting begins. This step is crucial for accuracy and prevents mistakes during the cutting and digging process. Once the layout is finalized, we bring in a concrete saw. This one is equipped with a diamond blade, and we use water to keep the dust down and extend the blade's life. We carefully cut along every painted line to create trenches where our pipes will go. It's loud, but it's effective. Always wear your safety gear, mask, gloves, boots, and eye protection. Now comes the loud part, breaking up the concrete. We use a Hercules electric jackhammer to break apart the cut sections of the slab. This tool makes the job faster and easier than using a sledgehammer or hand tools. We go section by section, following the cuts until all concrete within the trench is broken up. After jackhammering, we clear out all the broken concrete chunks. Then we start digging the trenches in the soil beneath. It's important to follow the proper slope for drainage, usually a 1/4 inch per foot, so waste flows out correctly. Now that the trench is ready, we're set to install the pipes. This includes 3 or 4 inch pipes for toilets, 2 inch for sinks and showers, and all the fittings like Ys, cleanouts and P-traps. After laying everything out, the system will be pressure tested and inspected if required. Once approved, we backfill the trench and pour fresh concrete to patch the floor. And that's the full process, from marking and cutting to jackhammering and digging. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more construction and plumbing content. And drop a comment if you have questions or want to see the pipe installation in our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
But same like how you mark it, the same so you run the pipe then. So if you can't work out to the mark, it can't happen.
No, because you want guy to serve and cut the floor. Because you want just one cut and just run it in. So, see like how I do a slant, you know? 45, maybe 45 one, 35.
Oh, so based on your go you so you buy the thing then?
Yeah, the fitting. 35.
Okay.
Then you go turn up with the tile. 45. Turn up. Sink, turn up, go over the other side. Because this is me now. Pipe are going in,
Everybody connect to it. Yeah.
And you go in the bathroom and you go straight to the pit.
Alright. Plum bag at work. You're a plumber or you're a plum bag? You're a plumber, alright. Yeah. You go to school locally or internationally? So you're a super plumber.
Yeah, nice little place, so now it's a while now, so. All the thing have to go through to get you reach, you know? The rough plan.
Rough plan?
The rough plumbing.
Okay.
The drain line system is set up first, then it's all be like a skeleton plumbing. So like a backbone, you know, so with this, you know, water line come.
So this is your green plan, kind of blue plan, so your green plan.
Yeah. Yeah. Turn up so. The next one.
That spray there with the nozzle straight. Or you search that with that?
Yeah, the cup.
Yeah, but how am I gonna know say nozzle straight ahead and not sideways?
The cover. Look on the cover. You see this?
Okay.
You don't have open space. So
Okay.
you just have one thing, the feet. In the paint section. Yeah. Cool. Tonic. This is 45. So look you on white. On white this time. See? Fitting this up. Got it white.
Yeah.
See? On next white again. This one T. Next white. So why you know? I'll turn this way.
Yeah. Flip him on the next way. One left and one right.
Yeah. I'm fitting my set up my style, you know? See that?
Two wide. One flip left, one flip right.
And the T just turn up to the toilet. T now about a one-way flow. You just turn up and it flow.
The shoe go down, so yeah.
Yeah.
So the flow now miss.
No, I miss that. And then you have some, what you call that, one tower, go you have some shower tower, the one where you just bolt on the wall and thing there. This at the test thing there, you just
Where you used to test if it a leak.
Yeah, when they come they want to see that too.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
So
come, tell me about this something, man. Come.